Good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ankita Maura. If you don't know, I am a food blogger and I am exploring different kind of foods in Thane, and a lot of people they don't know about. So I'm exploring that foods. So today I am taking you my most favorite place in Thane, and the name of that shop is Krishna Sweets Corner, and definitely you will like it. So how to reach to Krishna Sweets Corner, and I will tell you. There is one more Krishna Sweets Corner in nearby Thane station, but today I'm exploring like you have to walk for 10 minutes. Otherwise, you can take rickshaw and you can tell him to Tinhat Naka, and otherwise you can tell him to Tinhat Naka, I want to go Krishna Sweets Corner, so he will take you here. And I will tell you one important thing about Krishna Sweets Corner, why they are famous, and because whatever snacks they make, their snacks are so fresh. If I am telling you it is so fresh, literally I'm not lying. You will never get like this food, and they will charge extra money, but their food's quality are really amazing. This is I'm telling you literally. That is why my most favorite place, that Krishna Sweets Corner. And Krishna Sweet is famous for their sweets first of all, and snacks also. And in snacks, their most favorite thing is samosa. That samosa are that samosa are too fresh. Like in front of you, they will serve fresh samosa in front of you, and they will take out from that oil also. And when you will eat, you will literally see, when we eat fresh fruit, so we understood, yeah, it is fruit, it is fresh or not. And when they serve that food or that snacks, like it has cooked 3 hours or 4 hours before, so we understand quickly, right? So that is why Krishna Sweet is famous for. And today I'm eating that samosa, and if other things will be good, so definitely I will show you. But you should come to Krishna Sweets Corner and you should eat their samosas. And see, why I'm not recommending you to go nearby Thane station. First of all, it is very crowded. I'm telling you, it's very crowded. You should come here nearby that Tinhat Naka. You will get that food, very fresh, like literally. And that foods are so amazing. So let's come with me. And actually, behind me. So there is, that Krishna Sweets Corner is there. So I will take you there. Come with me. And one important thing I will share with you guys. Like recently, when I reached there, so I asked them like how much year you have completed. Like you have like someone has given you complaint about your food. So that person told, no ma'am, literally we make sure our food should be fresh and cooked properly. And I said, oh my god. And in food business, they have completed almost, like originally they have started it almost 45 years. Guys, can you believe it has been 45 years? So backside of me, so that Krishna Sweets, so that shop they told me again they have completed 30 years. And I was like, really? So in past, I came so many times here. So this time I thought I will show you guys this. And I haven't seen a lot of people explore this. So definitely, if you are an Indian, you like Indian cuisine a lot, or snacks, so definitely you will like it. There samosa, dhoklas. So this shop is nearby Pachpakhari. If you don't know, so you can ask anyone, like I want to go to Krishna Sweets. So here it is, Krishna Sweets Corner. See, now you can see, they are serving that kachori, pani puri, and here is some also snacks are there. So we will go inside, and this is their sitting area. You can have your snacks here while sitting, so you can sit also while eating your meal. And now I am taking you inside of their shop. So can you see how nicely they have decorated? And there is a lot of kind of variety snacks. And I will show you one more thing. This is their sweets. So there are a lot of kinds of also sweets are there, and here also a lot of sweets, and there are kinds of sweet here also you can see. And can you see their foods are so fresh? I can see this is too fresh. Like snacks are also very fresh here also, and this is their owner. How nicely they have decorated. See, it's amazing. You can come here, you can have your snacks, anything you can eat. So you have to give your order, then they will give you this coupon. So see, this is my coupon, and this samosa price is 24 rupees. Means this is very cheap and the quality is amazing. So I will try and I will show you. See, he is making that fresh samosas, and my mouth is watering. They serve very fresh food. Like I am seeing, oh my god, everything will be so fresh. That's why this Krishna Sweets is famous in all over Thane. That's great actually, right? This is my samosa, and it's looking so fresh. So they have given me two chutney, that green and they did mix, and that sweet one also they have given me. So both are mixed. So let's try. So they have arranged properly that sitting area while sitting, while standing you can eat your snacks, and literally it is too amazing. So see, here is my samosa. So I am taking my first bite, and I'm very excited to try this because after so long I am trying. It's too crunchy. It's amazing. That samosa is very crunchy, and I think in my samosa different kind of chutney they have served me. It's really amazing. Like I couldn't describe you. That chutney is really amazing, and something different. Like that pudina and corianders, that taste is coming, and that imli, that this samosa goes 10 out of 10. You should try, while speaking with them. So they told me like in snacks, so they have lot of bunch of things special, like dhokla and kachori. They serve kachori also. This is also, like, it is not famous, you can eat, and here it's very hygienic. And then pani puri also, sev puri, bhel, dahi puri, anything. And so when I was recording my video, so what they told me, madam, we have a Krishna Sweets also, like peda, Krishna peda. So he told me, so you should try this because that is also very famous here, and you should tell to my viewers also. So after when I will finish my samosa, so I will try that Krishna Peda, and I will guys show you. But you should come here, you should try here's food. Really, it's amazing and I'm having a good time in Krishna Sweets. Really. So let's come with me, I will show you that Krishna Peda.
स्पेशल है कैंडेडी रोड है ये आना है कल हो गया स्पेशली ड्राई फ्रूट इधर आ गया कृष्णा पेड़ा हो गया हमारे यहाँ का
Guys, see, this is Krishna Peda and this is very famous in Krishna Sweets Corner. So you should try this Krishna Peda. And he's preparing, see, a lot of fresh food. Okay.
कंदी पेड़ा
Kandi Peda, and this is Kandi Peda.
ये तिरंगा पेड़ा हो गया
And so the Republic Day is coming, so they have made this. This is milk peda actually, and this is very famous here. So I don't know how the taste will come. So I will eat, then I will tell you. You should try or not. Milk cake, and this is also very famous here. So I'm trying. He has given me this milk peda, so I'm trying this. Let's try.
गुलकंद पेड़ा
So I'm trying this milk cake, and it's looking quite good. You know, they have decorated very nicely. So I will try and I will tell you, like, you should try or not. You should come here and you should try this. That's amazing. You know that pink is something, you know, that what do we call that, hibix, that, you know, trees there. So like that, you know, that taste is coming, and they have, you know, that silver something, I don't know what is this, but this is silver in, and it's really amazing. So when you will come to Krishna Sweets Corner, so you have to try their samosa and Krishna Peda. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video and next vlog. Till then, bye and take care.